How much YouTube pay for 1,000 views? The amount YouTube pays for 1,000 views can vary widely and depends on several factors. YouTube's revenue is generated primarily through advertising, and creators earn money through the YouTube Partner Program (IP). The exact earnings depend on factors such as the geographic location of viewers, the niche of the content, the viewer demographics, and the type of ads shown. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the range was generally between $0.25 to $4 per 1,000 views. However, these figures are approximate and can change over time based on various factors, including changes in advertising rates and YouTube's policies. It's important to note that YouTube creators don't get paid directly for views, but rather for the ad revenue generated by those views. Creators receive a share of the revenue generated from ads displayed on their videos, and this can vary based on the factors mentioned earlier. For the most up-to-date and accurate information, it's recommended to check YouTube's official resources or consult with the YouTube Partner Program guidelines. Keep in mind that the platform's policies and payment structures may have evolved since my last update in January 2022.